Woodcarving is an ancient art form that allows you to bring life to a piece of wood. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of woodcarving. The first step in woodcarving is to select the right piece of wood. You want to choose a piece of wood that is straight-grained, without knots or cracks, and that has a consistent density. Softwoods such as pine, spruce, and cedar are popular choices for beginners because they are easier to carve. The next step is to select the right carving knives. There are different types of knives for different types of carving, but for beginners, a basic set of knives is usually enough. The most important thing is to use sharp knives and to keep them sharp. Gouges are another important tool for woodcarving. Gouges come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and they are used to make curved cuts in the wood. They are especially useful for making hollows and concave shapes. Mallets and chisels are also essential tools for woodcarving. They are used to make cuts and shapes that are not possible with knives and gouges. They can be used to make both fine and rough cuts, and they are useful for making cuts that are straight or angled. Remember, woodcarving is an ancient art form that allows you to bring life to a piece of wood. By mastering the use of tools, techniques, and materials, you can create beautiful and functional wooden carvings that will last for years to come. Check the description below to learn the art of woodworking with ease. Happy carpentry!